How do you travel with a Chihuahua safely? Traveling with pets can sometimes be a stressful experience, especially when it comes to smaller breeds like Chihuahuas. These pint-sized pooches require extra care and attention when it comes to transportation to ensure their safety and well-being. In this article, we will explore some tips and guidelines on how to travel safely with your Chihuahua, whether it be by car or by airplane. Car travel. When it comes to traveling with your Chihuahua by car, there are a few important factors to consider. First and foremost, it is essential to have a secure and comfortable carrier or crate for your furry friend. This will not only provide a safe space for them during the journey, but will also prevent them from roaming around and potentially causing distractions to the driver. It is recommended to introduce your Chihuahua to the carrier before the trip to help them become familiar and comfortable with it. Gradually acclimate them to the carrier by placing their favorite toys or treats inside and letting them explore it at their own pace. This will help reduce anxiety and make the traveling experience more pleasant for your pet. Furthermore, always ensure that the carrier is properly secured in the car. It should be placed on a stable surface, such as the back seat, and secured with a seatbelt or other restraint system to prevent it from moving around during sudden stops or turns. Another important aspect to consider is temperature control. Chihuahuas are sensitive to extreme temperatures, so it is crucial to maintain a comfortable climate inside the car. Avoid leaving your pet unattended in a parked car, as temperatures can quickly rise or drop to dangerous levels. If necessary, use air conditioning or heating to regulate the temperature accordingly and make your Chihuahua feel comfortable throughout the journey. Airplane travel. Traveling with your Chihuahua by airplane requires additional preparation and adherence to specific airline regulations. Before booking your flight, make sure to research and familiarize yourself with the airline's pet policies and requirements, as they may vary. Most airlines allow pets to travel in the cabin with their owners if the pet meets certain size and weight restrictions. However, keep in mind that the number of pets allowed in the cabin is often limited, so it is advisable to book your pet's spot well in advance. To ensure a safe and comfortable journey for your Chihuahua, invest in a proper airline-approved carrier that is spacious enough for them to stand, turn around, and lie down comfortably. The carrier should also have proper ventilation and be secure enough to prevent any escapes during the flight. It is recommended to gradually introduce your Chihuahua to the carrier, similar to the process mentioned earlier for car travel. Allow them to spend time in the carrier with treats and toys to create a positive association. Additionally, make sure to pack essential items for your pet, such as food, water, and any necessary medications. It is also advisable to have some absorbent bedding or pee pads in the carrier in case of any accidents during the flight. During the flight, it is essential to prioritize your Chihuahua's well-being. If possible, choose a flight with fewer passengers to minimize noise and disturbances. Check on your furry friend regularly to ensure they are feeling comfortable and not showing any signs of distress. General tips. Regardless of the mode of transportation, there are some general tips and precautions to keep in mind when traveling with a Chihuahua. 1. Ensure that your Chihuahua is up to date on vaccinations and has received a thorough health check before embarking on any journey. 2. Keep your Chihuahua's identification tags and microchip information updated with your current contact details to prevent any chances of them getting lost during the trip. 3. Bring along familiar items from home, such as their favorite blanket or toy, to provide a sense of comfort and familiarity during travel. 4. Carry a small first aid kit specifically designed for pets to handle any minor injuries or emergencies that may occur during the journey. 5. Never leave your Chihuahua unattended, especially in unfamiliar surroundings. They can easily become anxious or frightened, leading to undesirable consequences. In conclusion, traveling with a Chihuahua requires careful planning and preparation to ensure their safety and well-being. By following these guidelines and taking necessary precautions, you can make the travel experience enjoyable and stress-free for both you and your furry friend.